How to log in or sign in Trust Wallet accounts online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, download and install the Trust Wallet application on your device. Now tap to open the application and here you will get the two options, that is create new wallet or add existing wallet. So to sign in, tap on add existing wallet. And here you will see different ways to sign in. You can use Secret Trades, Swift Beta, Google Drive Backup, and View Only Wallet. So depending upon your backup method, you can easily choose your option. For example, if you use Secret Trace while backing up your wallet, you can easily use it. So let's tap on Secret Trace. Now you need to select your network and enter all your secret phrase. Then you have to select Restore Wallet and you'll be logged into your Trust Wallet account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you and see you in the next video.